This is the Bosch CS5 7¼ inch circular saw. This circ saw will let you power through wood, OSB, or composite. If you're a framer, roofer, sheather, or deck builder, this tool is perfect to help you get the job done. The left blade design allows for the clearest line of sight for right-handed users. This tool was built with durability in mind. With Bosch quality, this tool will withstand tough job site environments. Weighing in at just 10 pounds with a 15 amp motor, the CS5 can power through even the most dense material. An improved spindle lock allows for quick and easy blade changes. A 56-degree bevel makes this tool extremely versatile. And with an anti-snag lower guard, you can make cuts without having to advance it. So this is it, the Bosch CS5 7¼ inch circular saw. For more information on this tool, reference this page. And be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch circ saws.
For the professional contractor looking for the latest in battery-powered saw technology and innovation, DEWALT is proud to present the 20V Max lithium-ion reciprocating saw featuring a 4-position blade clamp and the 6½ inch circular saw. The 20V Max line will be offered in addition to DEWALT's 18V system and provide professional contractors with performance, ergonomics, and innovative features users expect from DEWALT. The 20V Max lithium-ion reciprocating saw delivers performance worthy of the DEWALT name, with a 1 1/8 inch stroke length that works up to 3,000 strokes per minute. The 3.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery gives the user up to 73% more cuts per charge when compared to the leading 18V lithium-ion reciprocating saws on the market. Plumbers, electricians, framers, carpenters, and remodelers will benefit from the DEWALT 20V Max reciprocating saw's versatile 4-position keyless blade clamp, which gives the user optimal versatility when making flush cuts or cutting in tight spaces. The contoured rubber overmolded comfort grip gives the users control for a variety of cutting applications. The 20V Max lithium-ion circular saw offers fast cutting performance due to a motor that delivers 460 max watts out at 3,700 RPM. The lightweight magnesium shoe provides the optimal combination of durability for long-term accuracy and lightweight to help keep contractors running strong. The optimized rubber overmolded comfort grip gives the 8-pound circular saw the desired balance and control for the remodeler, carpenter, or framer making cross, rip, plunge, or bevel cuts. Regardless of the application, DEWALT 20V Max saws provide the performance, ergonomics, and features needed to get the job done. DEWALT 20V Max lithium-ion, maximum performance.